Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well on this beautiful, in this beautiful weather that we're having here in South Carolina, I know. But anyway, my name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Yes, I finally got my granddaughter this past weekend and I was thrilled to have her. And it was so funny because this area right here is where she sits and entertains herself sometimes. And look at the little lovely, I'm going to say, display she created. So keeping busy here and also with paper and pens and markers and staples, she also created her a little book. And I thought that was so cute of her. I mean, it's just amazing. Kids don't need a lot of toys to play to keep themselves, occupied. Because Jamma's house doesn't have a lot of toys these days. But look how big she's getting. I'm so proud of her. So yeah, this little kitchen counter area has always had her attention, and between the sugar packets and the dishes that's over there, it keeps her busy. And all I can say is that's cool because I'm always in the kitchen anyway. So yeah, little Miss Avon is 6 now, and I'm so proud of her again. And I'm just going to share another tad bit of good news as well. I sold another piece of artwork. I don't know why it's happening lately, but I'm kind of glad because I am at the point of trying to get rid of stuff. And I was looking for, something just the differentness to hang into my, some artwork to hang in my house. But when I came across this woodpecker print, I actually really liked it, but it again didn't work with me. And it's a signed print. It's a Pallated Woodpecker by Sally Ellington, and this is she's a well-known wildlife artist. So in the midst of me looking for art, I look at things that I just like and I buy it. I'm glad I actually really bought this piece because what I sold it for versus what I paid for it, I was actually shocked. I'm thinking about doing a video sharing, some of those, my little selling, how I profited off of it. I don't make huge profits, but I am happy that I do profit some. And like I said previously, most people are looking into buying signed and numbered paintings or oil paintings or prints because they tend to have a little bit more value in those. So yeah, I did enjoy my woodpecker on the wall for a little while, but bye he went. And since I got those other glasses, I decided to sell these, and those did sell. I listed them and they sold immediately. And these old, these English enamel trays, those sold. I was glad of having that sale. And then also this vase that I bought. Now it is signed. It was made back in the 70s or 80s, signed by the artist. But yeah, I was happy that sold. And this old Forester, there was a bottle pre-prohibition era, that sold, and also one of my urns sold. So I did pretty good with my sales and I'm very, very happy with them. So yeah, I am in those 3 stages of life: the wanting stuff, accumulating, and now I'm getting rid of stuff. Well, trying to force myself to get rid of stuff because it ain't easy in this thrift life. Now this was one thing that I saw at a thrift store, and it was $25. It's a faux plant, and for the price of this faux plant I got wood flooring for the same price. Well, $25 a box. And to me that didn't make any sense, but I am still happy about my luck at finding the flooring. And again, it's the exact kind of wood floor that I was looking for. So the gray floor, I had it changed because I was tired of that linoleum. But it wasn't something I, like I said, jumped up and down about, but I was thankful for my sons for installing it. But it was not the factor that I really wanted on my floors. So I had someone come in and install my new flooring, and it is going down, and I can't tell you how happy I am to see this type of floor finally being installed in my kitchen. So he was able to actually lay this on top of the previous floor. So God forbid, my son say I don't like that anymore, and I'm long and gone, and they want the gray floor back. So here it goes. And my oldest came down with a popcorn visit, and I was so happy. And this quote here was really touching because while after the flooring was being installed, he said, "Let's go to dinner, Mommy." And I said, "You know what? That sounds like a great idea." he picked the spot, and then there's this app called Open Table, and you make your reservation. So we went to this place called Tupelo Honey. It's a southern soul food restaurant, and he had, well, I had the chicken sandwich, and he had the fried chicken and waffles. And honestly speaking, my chicken sandwich was not that great. It didn't taste seasoned, and it's kind of dry. But now his chicken and waffles were absolutely delicious. I would recommend that. And this restaurant is located in Greenville. So the next morning, my floor is installed, and this is just a little sample of what it's going to look like. Creating your beautiful home or your sanctuary is always going to take time. So there's going to be things that's going to come and go while you're in the process of doing that. Because remember, beauty is being home and loving it, and you want to be in your sanctuary and smiling happily. I hope you enjoyed this video and sharing this Saturday with me. Thank you again for tuning in, and if so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you with my new floor.